Hello guys, so welcome to this new mini vlog. Today guys, even I don't know where we are gonna go. So first I have to switch my dress. So now as you can see on this hanger there are lots of clothes of mine and also some of the clothes are into this backpack. So let me take it out. I have just wear my this pant and now it's time to which one should I wear? I think is this one. By the way, I have went lots of places, so today I would like to wear this one. And all of my friends are also, and they are getting ready. Hoi hoi, also I would like to apply some of the oil into my hair. Like him. Hoi hoi. Guys, right now I am looking for a comb to detangle my hair. Hoi hoi, this is called the comb and I would like to make my hair because I like to look nice and handsome. Hoi hoi. Okay, this is my bed where I sleep and the last view of this entire part of our container. Okay guys, so right now I have wear my slippers because today I'm gonna go by wearing my slippers, not by wearing my shoes because my shoes are wet or it has lots of dust. So that is why today I would like to go by my slippers. And his name is Pradeep, you guys already know. And some of my friends are still inside this container. And also, do you guys want to see the exterior part of our container? Now as you can see, and the interior I have showed you guys earlier. Hoi hoi, once more I'm gonna show you. Let's have a look once. Hoi hoi. Today guys, even I don't know where we are gonna go. Actually, some of my friends are speaking about going somewhere in a park, but we are not sure about because the weather is not good. By the way, even I don't know what the park name is. Hey, park का नाम क्या है? Hey,
Patala Park.
see, one of my friend, he is also going. Actually, he was calling me that, hey, where are you going? And then I said, we are going to the park. And he said, yes, I also wanna go. So that is why he is coming just behind me. Right now guys, we are going by this rough path. Now as you can see, it is very difficult to walk here. By the way, it is short distance to go rather than by this one. Guys, so let us hit the road and it will take around 20 to 25 minutes to reach to the highway. And just after arriving at the highway, then we will book a cab or a toto. So let us hit the road first. As I guys already told you that the weather is not good. It might rain today, so that is why guys it's raining a little bit. It's tiny rain. Now you can see some of the drops into my face, right? So okay, so let's have a look once because here you will get to see hoi hoi my friend, and he's asking me that please add me to your frame. So now as you can see, who is what is this? Hoi hoi guys, see what is this called in English? Please let me in the comment below. See what they are doing. Actually they are catching fish and it will take 5 more minutes to reach to the highway, and then we will look for a toto or a cab by using Uber app. Yes. Okay guys, so here I want to say one more thing, that today I was not in a mood to do a long vlog, but I am doing this just because some of you guys for few days continuously asking me that Nakul, why are you not uploading long videos? So today I thought why not to make a long video. So that is why guys I am just making this vlog. And today I'm gonna guys show you everything. And see, my friend is having selfie. Mm. Hey, also, agar if you wanna guys ask to someone that could you please take me a picture, then how will you say in a correct way? Then you could say, could you please could you please take a picture of me? Then you can say, could you please take a picture of me? Yes, could you please take a picture of me? Yes, you can use this phrase to have a selfie by someone. Hey guys, so right now I am in a village that looks like, or that's reminding me of my village area, because this place is as beautiful as my village is. Hey guys, so it is raining guys, by the way. I'm gonna show you, and we are almost reached to the highway. Now as you can see the flower right over there, and as you can see it's raining. Hey, look, guys, it's raining. I have added the few filters, so that is why guys I think you are not able to see the rain, but it's raining heavily. And right now we are waiting for a moment to stop this rain, because otherwise we are gonna get wet. So right now we are sitting here under the flower because it's pouring. So right now my friend Vishwajit, he is booking the cab for us to go to the park, and let's see the price, how much will I have to pay for it. So right now we are booking a cab. So કેટલા hundred? 6,237 रुपया. अच्छा. Okay guys, so right now we are passing by this highway, but always be cautious guys while passing this road or the highway. You also have to look for cars, but otherwise finally our car it has come, and now it's time to get into it. Hoi. Finally our car has come, and now we are getting into it. So now as you can see all of my friends are presenting here. Okay, so right now we are feeling very good to be inside here, because in this car it has the AC. So now as you can see it has the AC. निकला जल्दी निकल. Hoi guys, my friend is getting off from this. Okay guys, so finally we arrived at our destination. This is the park called Rambagh, but I couldn't show you guys the boat. By the way, I'm gonna show you guys a bit later. लो guys, आप भी देख लो. I love dogs. Oh my god, it's very slippery guys. I have to be careful while walking here, because hoi some of the peoples are taking selfies here. Hey! So just next to me, and there are some of the students are dancing. I think they are preparing for 15th August celebration. So now as you can see guys, and now my friends are getting ready to have a selfie. There is a heart. Hey guys, so right now we had lots of selfies here on this background. So now as you can see, still some of my friends are having selfies here. Hey guys, this is actually the temple. Let's head into it. This is called the stairs. So the temple that we been right now, and this is called the Maheshwar Mandir. This is the parking lot. Now as you can see, so that is where some of the cars are parked, and here some of the swings here. They are swinging. Guys, the phrase that I have taught earlier when I was coming, and the phrase was, could you please take a picture of me? And the phrase now you can use by offering someone. Could you please take a picture of me? Okay guys, so right now really we are having the great time. And now also some of the girls are having selfies here, and I'm gonna show you guys everything, whatever I'm gonna show you. Hoi hoi. This is kind of a well and it has water. And in the night time you will guys see some of the, it's kind of, I don't know how should I express this situation, but in the night time you will guys enjoy living here because you will get some of the lights here. अब ये देखो, what is this? I'm gonna climb over it and it has some of the stairs and I have to go by these stairs. Wait. Okay guys, so right now we have explored all around this park, and it's time to go to the place where we were before, means from where we have come. Okay, so by the way, after a few moments later we are gonna go, but first we are getting hungry a little bit, so that is why guys we have come here to eat something. So let's check it out what they have. So right now we have ordered momo, but in English even I don't know guys what this is called. By the way, if you guys know, please let me know in the comment below what should I say in English, but we call it momo and it has the chutney. Let's dive in. Delicious guys. देख लो guys, खा के खत्म. And now it's time to wash my hand a little bit, but my hand is not used because I was using this spoon. By the way, at the end I would say I have a question for you. Have you guys ever eaten momo? Please let me know in the comment. And 6 means one plate for 50 rupees. Do you guys think it is expensive or do you guys think it is cheap? So please let me know in the comment below. But here I would say it is too much cheap here as compared to our city. Okay, so just after eating, now it's time to move from here. See, this is the parking lot. That is why there are lots of four-wheelers and two-wheelers are parked here. So now as you can guys see, hey dekho, my friends are ready to go to the place where we came from, and they are negotiating that how much will I have to pay to go to the plant. Okay guys, so finally we made it to our destination. Now I'm gonna see what's happening here. Guys, actually there is a magician and he has come and he's showing magic. So that is where people are gathering here. And right now we are at Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Chowk. Right now we are gonna buy some vegetables. I don't know what we are gonna buy, but one of my friends, he wants to buy paneer. First we are gonna find paneer shop, then we will buy another thing. Okay guys, that's all for today's vlog because it's getting dark, so that is why the video quality will not good. So that is why guys, I would like to stop recording from here. And I hope you guys learned something new through this vlog. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe. And also you guys let me know in the comment below if you guys need this kind of long vlog. Please let me know in the comment below. So that's all for today guys. Bye bye.